What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now we're carrying on with the 16 Pro Max content, so I've got mine right here in the black titanium. Been enjoying this a lot lately. Even that camera button, not a button, yeah, it's a button. Obviously Apple have came back without the fine woven this year, but they have brought the silicone case back out. I do wish they'd bring back the leather one again, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen anytime soon. So this is what we've got to contend with. I've picked up the Ultramarine. So as you can see on the front, iPhone 16 Pro Max, silicone case, MagSafe compatible. On the back, the little tear strip on the back, and then it says right here, 16 Pro Max, silicone case, Ultramarine, and how it goes in. So let's go ahead and tear this open. And there we go. So that lifts open, and we can take out the case. Oof, that looks so good. So let's take it off the board that it comes on. A nice felt microfiber inner lining, MagSafe logo in the middle, it says iPhone right there, cutouts on the bottom, nothing on the top, for your action button and your volume rocker, and on the side, power button and that camera control. Ooh, that feels quite nice. So it's meant to be like a touch sensitive top on this compared to like other ones where they've done the cutout. So let me know which one you prefer. Do you prefer something like that, or would you prefer it to be cut out? Obviously this is the first one I've had where it's completely covered, so you can check it out. Camera lips nice and raised, Apple logo in the middle. Now the only thing that concerns me about the silicone cases is how they wear, and they wear on the edge of the corner, on them corners. And obviously I've got a screen protector on mine, so obviously we're going to see how it fits. If you haven't seen the screen protector video, that's up there for you guys to check out. There is a iPhone 16 Pro Max playlist already on the channel, and there'll be more videos as we go through. But let's go ahead and slap the iPhone into the case. So it goes in side on and then slots in. As you can see, lights up blue to show off the ultramarine colour. So that looks really good. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. Gone for the silicone case, and which colour did you go for? Be sure to let me know that too, and how you're finding it and what you think of it. Nice clicky button, nice clicky power volume button, the camera control button. Yeah, that's actually quite good, to be honest, and obviously it works to zoom in. Yeah, it works pretty well, to be honest, so that's quite good. I've got a screen protector on my screen, and the lip still goes up and over, so you can place it face down like so and not have to worry about it. But again, I would be concerned over the corners on a silicone case. I always do. It always gets me a bit paranoid of how they're going to wear on them corners. That's the only worry that I have with the silicone case. Cameras are nice and recessed into that housing right there, so you can place it down and again not have to worry about it. But yeah, it looks really good. So let's go ahead and grab the Apple MagSafe battery pack. It slots in really nice, and it's not wirelessly charging, as you can see. So it's a fair bit of force involved in that, and it ain't coming off. So I do wish they bring back the leather. Bring in the Nomad base stand. If we go ahead and slap the phone on, it slaps in, and I mean that Nomad base stand is no joke, and it picks it up. So that MagSafe, that's the one. Apple always make the product to make sure that they match all the MagSafe accessories and stuff like that. But that's fantastic. So yeah, it works really well. Ultramarine would be obviously my choice for colour. That's why I went for this one, because I think I'll probably end up using it every now and again when I'm not in work. Because if I was in work, I'd end up covered. There'd just be fingerprints of like oil all over it. So this will be getting used now for the next year or so. I'll let you know how it wears. It'll be used over a weekend when I'm not in work. Like when I travel, I'll probably use this case. I'll let you know how it wears in a year's time, and we'll see how the silicone's held up and if the silicone is worth it after the year's time. But let me know if there's anything else you want to see. Let me know if there's any other cases you want to see for the iPhone 16 series. Let me know. And as I say, there is a full playlist, and we'll have tons more videos to come. I've got a ton of cases to get through, so we're back filming. Let me know what you want to see in the comment section down below, and let me know what you think of this. I'll leave the Amazon link for this. That's the one I use. it was a bit cheaper than the Apple website and stuff like that, but I used the Amazon link and I got it a little bit cheaper. So I'll leave my affiliate link down below. It won't cost you guys any extra, and hopefully there'll be a bit of discount on there for you. So let me know what you think of the silicone case. Is it worth it for you, and what case are you rocking right now on your iPhone 16? Be sure to let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. I'll see you all soon.